Are you still manually adding dozens of timestamps for your 10-minute video in YouTube? It's such a huge time suck. Welcome to AI in Link. Follow me to get more AI tips. And today I am sharing the secret weapon that transformed my chapter adding workflow. Chapters are good for YouTube SEO and user-friendly, so it's better to add them in all your video. So how to automatically add this timestamp for the chapter? Some people might say open the automatical chapter at the YouTube setting. But it did not work for me because it's not smart enough. Now let's do it step by step. First, we can see in this video there is no timestamp in chapter. So I am going to demo how to add chapter to this video. Make sure you have the Comet Browser installed. I will drop the free pro link at the description. Click the assistant button in the upper corner. Then write the prompt, "Please help me generate the chapter for this video." It did not work at first. You can see the timestamp did not match. It might randomly generate something by the content but not accurate. So you have to type, "Please scan the video to add the chapters." Then we can see Comet is scanning the transcript of the video. Now we have a complete timestamp for the video. Let's check if it is correct. It's literally the same. Once you put the timestamps in the description, they will display. And if you don't want to write the description yourself, it can be generated by Comet based on the video transcript. Click this video to learn more user cases of Comet Browser. If this video helps you, please give it a like and follow me. Your support keeps me going.